Hey guys, so I'm back in the kitchen with Chef Nicole. I'm Christin, Wellness Account Manager at Ulliance. Chef, what are we doing today?
Okay, so bowls are all the rage. Everybody's putting everything in a bowl right now, right? Mexican, Asian, you name it, it's all going into a bowl. So we thought we'd hop on the bandwagon and do a healthy Mexican bowl today. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our vinaigrette,
Okay.
which is gonna be a cilantro lime vinaigrette. Super simple, super easy. Our ingredients are Dijon, honey, a little red wine vinegar, a little cilantro,
Okay.
and a little lime juice. Okay, and now we're gonna add our olive oil. Next step is we're gonna shred up our chicken. We've cooked some quinoa,
Okay.
and I cooked that in chicken stock too. Now we're gonna make our pico de gallo. It's gonna be a roasted corn and black bean pico de gallo. We've got all of our components made. We just gotta cut up some avocado, and then
Okay.
we can put our bowl together.
A perfect
look at that.
avocado.
That's gorgeous.